How to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in. Now, first of all, if you would like to turn on portrait mode, tap on this arrow icon from this toolbar at the top right hand side of your interface. There you'll find focus option. Tap on it. Now your portrait mode is turned on. If you like to turn it off again, all you have to do is tap on the focus icon again, and with that it is now turned off. So in this simple way you can turn on or turn off portrait mode on Snapchat, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.